Okay.
Wow.
Already you have finished one section in Linux.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to log in into aws.amazon.com. Let's log in. Sign into the console. AWS DevOps this. MFA. Okay. 769647. Okay. Okay. It is recording. Right. Let's go to EC2. Check the instances. Start the instance. Public IP address should be coming. It will come in a moment. Don't worry. Just refresh. It is running. Click public IP. Copied. Putty. Paste the IP address. SSH. Auth. Credentials. Browse. Select PPK. Open. Accept. EC2-user. Correct. Su root. Linux 123. Correct. Hello, respond.
Yes.
Okay. So now, what is my current working directory? What is my present working directory?
Root.
/root. Here you're forgetting slash. You need to mention slash also. Okay. If you are saying root, it is this. If you are saying /root, it is this. Okay. Okay. I want to list out all the options that are there here. ls. I have two files. Okay. Let me make a directory here. How can I make a directory here?
mkdir.
mkdir what? mkdir. Directory name is dir. Let us say. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So to confuse you more and more, we have only one command for both removing and moving. Okay.
Okay.
mv is the command we will be using for both renaming as well as moving.
Oh.
Don't ask me why. I don't know. They did that. Not my mistake. mv, old name, new name is for renaming. Okay. mv source destination. Source destination is for moving. Okay. Just try. So for example, there is something called dir. I want to change its name to directory. mv dir to directory. I'll just enter. ls. It got changed. Now I want to change the file name here. For example, mv file to Dale. ls became Dale.
Okay.
Understood?
Got it.
This is how you rename. Okay, if you are using the absolute path, let us ls/tmp. What are the contents? Okay, I have the contents of this. Okay, then rm-rf. Let us rm-rf/tmp by star. Whatever is there inside star should be removed. Okay. cd/tmp. Let us go. ls. There is nothing here. So let me create few files here. Touch file 1, file 2. Okay. ls. And I'll make a directory here. mkdir dir. Okay. I'll go back to my root directory. Now from here I will change the file name that is inside temp. How will I do? mv/tmp by file1. I want to change this to file/tmp by file. I'll give like this. Okay.
Okay.
ls/tmp. File1 has become file. If you want to change the name of directory, you can change like this: tmp by dir
dir to directory.
tmp by directory. Now you run ls tmp. Understood?
Yeah.
That is how you rename. Okay, good. Now if you want to move file into directory, how will you move? mv/tmp by file
tmp/file to
by directory. Okay. ls/tmp file went into the directory. Cut and paste. Moving.
Okay.
Okay. Now you go into
cd
cd
directory.
id directory. Okay.
ls.
Okay.
Okay.
That is it. You have cut the file and pasted it inside the directory. Understood?
Yeah.
Let us clear this. Let us go back. Let us clear this. Let us go one step back. Delete whatever is there here. Okay. I have deleted everything inside tmp. Let us go to /root. Otherwise, you can directly give cd also. It will go to /root. You can ls. Now I want to send dial into directory. Okay.
Okay.
mv dial del into directory. Okay. cd directory now and ls you can find
ls.
cd dot and cls you can't find dial here.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
This is about moving.
Okay.
We have done moving and renaming using the same command, which is mv.
Yes.
If you want to remove a file, you can remove a file by using an option called rm file. It will, there is no file directory unless
File 1.
okay. rm file 1 let us give. Do you really want to remove it? Yes, I want to remove.
Yes.
Then it is gone. Okay.
Okay.
If you are giving rm-f, there is a file, there is something like touch file 1 to 5. Let us create few files so that we can delete them. rm-f file 1. It will not ask you. It will directly delete.
Oh, that is forced deletion, huh?
You will not be prompted yes or no. It will
Okay.
delete. If you give file 2, it will directly delete. Check unless there is 3, 4, 5. Understood? So
Yes.
let me move file star into directory. What happens here? You tell me. What is file star? File star means
All
start
the files.
All the profiles.
okay na? Okay. ls directory cd dar star let us give. It will go into directory. Okay. You don't have to type everything. ls. You have 4 files here. So now let me come one step back and make an empty directory. mkdir dir. Okay. Now you have 2 directories, dir and directory. Now I want to remove the empty directory, rmdir dir. It will get removed. Empty directory can be removed. If you are using rmdir on directory, this directory is not empty, correct?
Yes.
It will give you an error. Fail to remove directory not empty. So then you need to do rm-r. R is for recursive. Recursive means directory plus its contents. F directory. Unless it is removed. This is removing. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So for removing we also use rm, right? Here we are using rm dir. So rm dir is only to remove directories.
Empty directories.
Empty directories. Rm dir is used.
Correct. Correct.
But rm is used to remove anything.
RM can be used to remove anything, but RM should be always accompanied by the options RM-RF like this. Okay, if you are not removing a directory which is not empty, you need -R option to be available. Understood?
Okay. So this RMDIR directory was used because the directory was empty. There was nothing inside the directory.
Correct.
Okay.
Got it clear?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
super. Now you have successfully completed the file commands. What are the file commands? Touch, cat,
Cat.
vi, cp, mv,
MV.
rf.
RM. Okay.
Then you have also seen less, more,
More.
head,
Unique.
unique commands.
Hmm.
Okay. How
Okay.
many commands did
So
we?
these are all the
They are all file commands. There are
five.
more file commands that will also come, but they will be a bit complicated. These are simple basic commands. CD also we have seen.
Hmm.
For traversing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 commands you have learned. Until okay.
Yeah. Ram, your voice is very low. I felt.
Is my voice very low? Seriously?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm trying hard to listen to you from that time.
You have to tell me then. Something is
It
happening
is
with
like
this.
you're
Not
talking to
feeling well
yourself.
now.
Ah,
Hmm.
now it is okay.
Better. You're fine,
Let's
right?
fine.
You are
Can you hear
fine, right?
me? Check everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We're
Yeah,
able to
yeah.
hear you.
Better now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me plug earphones into this. Okay. And check. If it is better, let me know. Okay.
Now it is better. It is okay, I think.
Maybe I'm leaning back and I'm explaining, so I'm away from my mic a bit. So that is the reason, I guess. Now it is fine. Now it will be fine.
Yeah, it is fine.
Yes.
Yeah,
It
it is
is.
fine.
Hmm. This laptop makes me do so many yogasans. Okay, fine, let it be. Then let us have a look at the other command we have, which is ls. Okay, ls is also the command which we have learned until
Yes.
now.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So ls comes with several options. Okay, you know, right? Command comes with options.
Hmm.
Now you don't tell me there are so many commands. Now you are saying there are so many options. How many of these can I remember? Right?
Hmm.
This is the question that will come, but you have no choice. So ls is for listing the contents of a directory. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Listing the contents of a directory. Okay, super. ls, as every other command, comes with different options. ls-l will give you long list. Okay,
Okay.
let's check. So do we have any files here? No, right? Let us create few files. Touch file 1 to 5 and ls. You have file. ls-l check. You have long list.
Okay.
Okay. What is this? We will talk about this. Just listen to this now. Okay. ls-lr will make this list reverse.
Okay.
Check.
Reverse.
5 to 1.
1 to 5, 5 to 1. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
According to the modified time. For example, you have modified a file called file3. Okay.
Hmm.
You want to see it on the top. Then you have to give ls-lrt. T means modified time. For example, let me do something. vi file3. Otherwise let me add cat. Otherwise, okay, cat slash it. Okay, I don't want to complicate it. Okay, fine. File3. Hi. Okay, I have edited this file now. Correct.
Yeah.
ls-lt, you check 3 will come on to the top.
Okay.
Because this is the recently modified file, correct or not?
Yeah.
So for example, if I am doing ls-l, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when I am doing ls-lt, the recently modified file is coming onto the top.
Okay.
If you are giving R, it will reverse the list.
Reverse.
Okay.
Oh,
But you have used ls-lrt. So the
correct.
recently modified. Okay. Oh, it is in the reverse order. Ha
See,
ha ha.
L is for long list, R is for reverse order, T
Reverse.
is for recently modified file.
Okay.
According to modified time, you need to sort. That is T. Okay.
Okay. And what is this total for?
What for?
There are 5, right?
Total 4.
Mm.
It should be 5, but it is showing 4. Don't know. Glitch, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
LSFNLRT. Okay. So now there is one more option called A. ls-lart. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Ascending
A
order.
will give you, huh? What?
Ascending order, I thought.
No. A is for hidden files, almost all. Okay.
Okay.
The hidden files always start with dot. Okay. These are all the hidden files. Even if you create a hidden file, for example, let me create a file. Touch.file 6. Okay. ls, it's not getting shown. ls-lrt, it is not getting shown. ls-lart, it is getting shown. See.
Okay.
If you want to create a hidden file, you will prefix the name with dot.
Dot.
Okay. So what are these? We will talk about this later. Okay. Just understanding what is it. There is one dot and dot here, right? Dot means parent of current working directory. Dot means present working directory. Okay.
Dot means?
Dot means what?
I'm asking.
CD dot means what?
One step back.
One step back is what? Parent of this directory, correct?
Okay.
Parent of this directory only, no, one step back.
Yes.
So this is parent working directory. This is present working directory, dot.
Okay.
For example, let me give you a small example here. Okay, clear. ls. I have 5 files here. Okay, let me make a directory. mkdir, mkdir, dir. Okay. So let me go into the dir and create few files. Okay. Touch file 7 to 11. I will create. Okay, 7 to 10 I will create. Otherwise, it will be. Okay. Now I will go one step back. One step back is /root, if I'm not wrong. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me mv dir by file star to dot. Dot means current working directory. Here. Okay. Enter. ls. You can see all the files getting moved to here. Open dir and see no files will be present.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yes,
This
sir.
is little tricky, but
It's not. Let me explain. So dot is present directory. Don't shout. Come and listen to this class.
my son is shouting.
So,
Aniket.
so PWD and parent of PWD.
Okay.
Okay. Parent of PWD. So what happens here? What is PWD? PWD is wherever you are. Correct.
Present.
For example, let us take the scenario. Okay. We had made a directory mkdir dir inside where what is your current working directory, that is /root. Correct. You went into dir and you have created 3 files. Touch
Touch file
file
1, 2, 3.
7 to 10. Okay, this is what you have done, no?
Mm-hmm.
When you ls, what happens? You have file 7, file 8,
Right.
file 9, file 10. 6 files, 4 files you have. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So when you do cd dot dot, where are you going?
To
What
the
is the inside directory you have created it? Inside root you have created the directory. Correct?
yes.
We'll go back to the root. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slash root. Now what command are you running? mvdir by file star. Correct?
Hmm.
What is dir by file star? Dir is this. Under dir, files
That's
are file
it
8,
is
file 9,
fine.
file 10. This I want to move to here. Here is dot. Dot means present working directory.
Present
What is your
work.
present working directory? Slash root.
Root.
Understood.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now you enter, all the files will come here. That is what happened.
Hmm.
I'll give you small other scenario also. What is your PWD now? PWD is slash root by dir.
Huh.
Okay. MV dot dot by file star. Okay. What is dot dot? Dot dot is slash root
Yeah.
by
Yes.
file star to here. Okay.
Okay.
On the file set. Understood.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still confused.
No.
If you practice, it will come.
When you are saying cd dot dot, what is it doing? You tell me.
It is going to the parent directory. That is the
Correct.
previous. Yeah.
Correct. What is cd? What is the meaning of cd? cd means
Change
changed.
directory.
And what is this parent of this directory? Correct.
Yeah.
When you are saying parent by, forget about something. Okay. This parent by file star means whatever the files that start
There.
with file inside the parent of this directory should be copied to here. Dot means current working directory, present working directory.
That is directory.
That is dir.
Hmm.
When you pressed it, this happened. Correct?
Yeah.
Understood.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, got it.
I think it is important. Okay. When you practice, it will be much more easy. cd dot dot, let's do. Okay. Again, if you do mv, okay, dir by file star, I want to move it to here.
To
Now
root.
ls, everything came.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah.
A bit tricky, I know, but the thing is, you can simply do it. For example, if you want to do it, you have to give like mv file star now to slash root by dir, enter. Instead of this command, what you can do, you can simply say, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, now if you want to move again, what you need to do, mvdir by file star to where you have to copy slash root. You need to give like this. Correct?
Yeah.
Instead of writing this, what you will do, you will just put dot and then come back. Understood?
Okay.
Instead of dir, now you have understood the concept, right? So every time you can also use dot and dot dot. Okay?
Okay.
So that is the dot and dot dot inside ls-lart. Okay? Understood? What dot and dot dot are we talking about? This and this.
This. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So now, just like ls-lart, there is one more option called I. There is one more option called I. I means inode number.
Inode number.
Inode number. Inode number is a number, unique number given to every entity. Unique number given to every entity on Linux. Let it be directory, let it be file. Everyone will have their own number, unique number, just like our roll numbers in school. Just like our roll numbers in school. So now ls-lrat I, if you press, you will get the inode numbers. Understood?
Yeah.
These are the inode numbers. The starting part which you are seeing here. These are the inode numbers. Okay. This is about ls and the options that are associated with ls-l. You can also use ll and get ls-l output. Okay. You can also check which ll, and it will say it is alias to ls-l. See?
Okay.
Even if you use come on, please don't do it. ls-l or ll will have the same option, same option. Check. Same, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Understood. This is about ls-lrt. Super. Sir, every time you are doing ls-lrt, this huge thing is coming. What is this? Right now, that is the question that will come into picture. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, no, all right.
All right.
So this is something which is coming in the ls-lrt output. What is this? Now, this ls-lrt output has so many fields in it. Oh. First you said so many options, now you are saying so many fields. Huh? So many fields in the output. Wow. How many will I remember? You have to remember. No other option. No way to go, Swati. We can't do anything. You have joined, you have paid the fees. So now, let us see the different fields that are there. Okay?
Okay.
XRWX. Okay. And then there is this one, then there is root. One by one, we'll see. The first thing which you are seeing here is hyphen. This place denotes type of file. Type of the file. Which type of file you are looking at will be known. Okay. If you are seeing a hyphen there, understand that it is a regular file. Okay.
Okay.
If you are seeing D there, it's a directory. If you are seeing an L there, it is a link file. Link file, we will explain link file later. Don't worry about it. Okay. S means S is a socket file. Socket file is a file that is link between two processes. You will not ever touch socket file in your life, so don't worry about it. Just understand that S is socket. Socket file is the file that acts as a medium between two processes. Okay.
Okay.
Socket file, link file, socket file we have seen. B is for block file. Block file is usually your hard disk partitions will be block files. B is for block file, D, L, S, B. Okay. Then C is for character file. Character files are the supporting files of the operating systems. Like this, there are several types of files will be there. For
So
example,
these files will even come in like it will come in the start, is it? Like how we have hyphen in that first row.
Here. Okay. You will never ever touch these things in your life. I never touched them in my life. In 7 years of my experience, I never touched them. So don't worry about them. Just understand. All right. These three you will touch. Okay. But you should have an idea about what you are touching and what you are not touching also. So let's have a discussion about all these things. Okay. So let us go into /dev. Okay. cd/dev and do ll. Okay. Now you can see character files here, directories here, right?
Yeah.
Then there is link file here. You can see the link file here, right?
Yeah.
And there is a character file here. If you can see, there is block file here. Like that, you will understand what type of file you are looking at. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. So this is about the first field. Okay. Again, so many options. How many options? So now RWX are there. These are 3 sets of file permissions. Okay. Let us dive deep into file permissions in the next class, because next class is going to be the complete file permissions. Don't worry about it. This RWX means, I will tell you, R means read, W means write,
Right?
X means execute.
Execute.
Okay. These are the three things which you will be having. Why there are three sets of permissions? First one is owner permissions, the second one is group permissions, and the other one is others permissions. This we will talk later. Okay. But understand that these are file permissions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is a bit tricky. We will talk about that in a moment. But first, let us talk about these two. Okay. Root and root. Root is owner of the file. Root created this file, correct?
Yeah.
Whoever creates the file is called owner of the file. Understood?
Yes.
Next one is another root. This is group of the file. Group of the file. Example, RAM belongs to a group called developers. Okay?
Okay.
Now RAM creates a file. When RAM creates a file, owner will be RAM and group will be developers. Understood? Means whoever is in the group of developers can also utilize this file.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay. So the next one is owner group.
So
We have,
will always this root be together only? Like
I'll tell you
the
that.
owner will have the group
No,
name as
I'm
root
going to
only.
explain. Let me explain, please. Let me explain. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if I have created a file as RAM currently, right now, if I create something as RAM, su RAM, let me cd slash RAM is not there. Okay, cd slash home by RAM. Do I have it? Excuse me. Okay, cd slash home by RAM we have. So let me create a file here. Touch file. Okay, let us do ll. Okay, ls-l. Okay. So RAM belongs to Swati group. I have changed the group. That is why it is showing like this. Okay, let us add a user and then try. Okay. In the last class, I was explaining users and groups, and I have changed my group to your group. So it's okay. It's okay. We are like siblings. So no problem. Your group is my group. My group is your group. So let us do one thing. Let us add a user. Okay.
Take your siblings to Malaysia, no?
First, let me go and settle. No. Anyway, I'll tell you later. Okay, let's talk class. Serious, be serious. So user add. Let us add someone like Sam. Okay, just adding Sam. PSSWD Sam, and I'm setting the password for Sam. 1, 2, 3. The next 1, 2, 3. Password don't match. Okay, that is why you don't type fast. PSSWD Sam. Then next 1, 2, 3. Then next 1, 2, 3. Every time, why are you giving the same password? I got accustomed to it. I don't want to use my passwords. So, okay, fine. Now, SU Sam. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, listening.
CD. Now let me create a file. Touch file. Hello. Now check. Sam, it is coming.
Okay.
It Sam is the question that should come into picture. Correct? But Ram has Swati. But Sam is saying Sam. Correct?
Yeah.
Swati group. And then Sam has Sam group. Correct? So
Yeah.
why? Every time you create a new user, understand this concept. Okay? Every time you create a new user, the new user will be assigned to their name group unless and until you change it. Okay?
Okay, got it.
So once you create Sam, a group by the name Sam will be created, and this Sam will be allocated to the group called Sam.
Okay.
This user Sam will be allocated to the group called Sam.
Sam.
So now when
Create
Sam
new group.
creates the file, user or the owner is Sam.
Mm.
And as the group of Sam is Sam, the group of file will also become Sam. Understood?
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is
Yeah.
why you are seeing root here.
Hmm.
The next one is file size. It's an empty file, so it is showing 0. Okay.
Okay. And
So
next is date
the next
and
is
month.
creation or modification time.
Okay.
Okay. This is creation or modification time. For example, let me exit here and let me user del hyphen r Sam. I don't want him. So let's dump Sam. So next thing which we will do was I am just clearing it out. Don't worry about that command. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry about that command. Don't create user. Don't delete user. Don't do anything. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just for your understanding, I'm using them. We will do all those things in users and group management.
Okay.
Okay. So the next thing which we will be doing right now is let us cd and ls. Okay, I have so many files here. Let me remove all the files that are there here and let me create one file. Touch file. Okay. Now
Okay.
now what is the creation or modification time? It is October. It is August 3rd, 1541. Correct.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It is US time. My server is in
That's
Virginia.
what I was saying. It is not 3:41, right?
It is in Stockholm. It is in Stockholm.
Okay.
My
Mm.
server is running in Stockholm. So what is the time in Stockholm? Not Stockholm syndrome. Stockholm's time. It is 5:41. See?
5:41. Okay.
What is it? But it is showing 3:41. I don't know why. Okay.
Hmm.
I don't know why, but it is. It is showing. It should be showing 5:41, but it is showing 3:41. Okay. Fine. Let it be. Glitches. Sometimes they do happen. Okay.
Mm.
So I have created the file and the time is this. Now let me modify this file, vi file. I will just write Sankirtana here. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have modified it, correct?
Mm-hmm.
The modified time got changed. Hello.
Yeah. Got it. When you use that VI file, suddenly I remembered one doubt.
Ask.
Yeah, yesterday when I was practicing, okay, this you told to use this insert, right? So I
Hmm.
used insert,
Hmm.
just typed something,
Hmm.
clicked on escape,
Hmm.
and then used some other commands like a gg and all. So
Hmm.
and after every step, it was going back to insert. Why?
If you are using A, it will definitely go into insert.
Like if I use like gg, g,
It will
y,
not go.
y also.
It will not go. It will not go. You are using A, that is why it is going.
I used only once. Okay, I'll try once again. If that happens, I'll tell you that time.
Once the class is over, we will see about it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
the modification time. So creation time and modification time. Every time you modify the file,
It
it
The
will
will
change.
change.
time changes. Okay.
For example, I'll write Swati.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now again, LLC. See, it got changed again.
Changed.
Understood?
Memory also changed.
Got it.
Every time you modify it, the time updates. The timestamp
Mm.
updates. This is called the creation and modification times. Understood?
Creation and modification types.
Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if
Yeah.
you observe here, the size is increasing.
Yeah, because we have created file.
We are writing something into that file. That is.
Uh,
Yes.
And the last one is file name.
okay.
Okay. The last one is
File
file
name.
name. Oh, over. Huh? Super. It's over.
What over?
The LSF and LRT output.
Ah,
Not over. We have still one here.
you
Okay.
should have pasted that in the.
Wait. Let me. I'll write everything. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. It's in our hands. Just concentrate here. This is one is there. No, this is number of hard links. Now
Hard
the
links.
yes. Now the question comes. What is hard link?
Hard link.
Now in Linux you have two types of links available. Link files.
Okay.
These link files are used to keep a file in multiple locations so that you can edit them from anywhere. Okay? So there are two types of links available. One is soft link, the other one is hard link.
Hard link.
Soft link or symbolic link also we will say. Okay?
Okay.
Now let us have a look at what is hard link and what is soft link. First of all, let us talk about hard link. Okay?
Okay.
For creating hard link, the syntax is ln source destination. ln source
Destination.
destination. Understood?
Hmm.
So let us create one file here. Okay?
Okay.
Unless I have file here already. So let me create a link for this file somewhere. Okay? File /tmp by file. Understood?
Okay.
I have done this.
So you're creating link between file which is in root and temp.
Correct. That's all.
Ah.
By this time, you should be understanding that.
Hmm.
Okay. So ln file and /tmp by file. Everyone is understanding it, right? Everyone?
Yes.
Sankirtana?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Navya?
Yes.
Everyone? Chandni?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes. We are all following, right? Okay. So now let me go and edit the file inside temp. tmp by file. Okay. Let me remove Swati. Okay. Let me WQ. Where did I do that?
Temp.
Okay. Temp file.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me cat file. File is in this location, right?
Yeah, in root.
In root. That got removed from here also.
Okay.
So what happens here is when the source is edited, link gets edited. Okay. And vice versa. Vice versa means you know, right?
Yeah.
If destination is edited, source will also get edited.
So,
Let us try.
Hmm.
Yeah, file. And then let me add back Swati, Chandini, and then Navya. Okay.
Hmm.
Where did I edit? I edited in source, correct?
Yes.
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 MP by file. See,
Hmm.
even the file gets the same thing.
Okay.
Source and destination. Got it?
Got it. Yes, yes.
Now, if I let me create one more here, okay? One more link here. ls I have file here. ln file1 I'll do. Okay? One more link I am creating. No rocket
Okay.
science. Okay?
Okay.
Now ls-i if I do, you can check that the both inode numbers are same.
Same.
So what happens here? Source and destination inode numbers are same. Correct?
Hmm.
Source and destination inode numbers are
Same.
same. Delete source destination will act as an independent file. Okay?
Yeah.
And vice versa. Okay? and vice versa. Vice versa means even if you delete the destination,
Destination source will
fine. Source will be fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So now ln. So first let me remove rm hyphen rf file. Okay. Now I have removed the source. Cat file1, it will work fine. Understood? So next one is soft link. To create soft link, you need to give ln-s source destination. Okay.
Okay.
This is the syntax. Next one is soft link creation will be done by ln-s source destination. Okay.
Okay.
You remember the shortcuts in Windows? Any program you install, one shortcut will come. Correct?
Yeah.
In the program files, when you delete that particular program, and if you did not delete the shortcut, what happens? Next time you click on the shortcut, it will say the program has been removed. You can delete the shortcut. Correct or not?
Yes.
So the shortcut will not work. Correct? Without the program, shortcut will not work. Keep this in your mind. We will be talking about the same thing in links. Okay. So when source is edited, link gets edited, vice versa. This will be same in soft link also. Understood?
Okay.
Inode numbers are different. Inode numbers are different. Okay.
Okay.
Source gets deleted, link becomes broken and will not work. Okay.
Okay.
Link deleted, source will be fine. This is the difference between hard link and soft link. This is the important interview question people will be asking you. Okay. What is difference between soft link and hard link? Okay.
Okay.
So now ln-s file1 file2 let us do. Okay. LL, you see, this is a link file. See. But when you are seeing the hard link, let me create one hard link also. Ln file1 file3. Okay. Hard link will be regular file. Check. Only symbolic link will be link file. Okay.
Okay.
Only soft link or symbolic link will be denoted as link file. Hard link will always be the regular file. Understood?
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, good. So let me do rm-rf and inode number. Let us check. Okay. ls-li check. See, inode number for this is different. Inode number for source and hard link is same, whereas source and soft link is different. So let me remove the source now. Okay. rm-rf file1 is the source. Remove ll. It has become red. See.
Okay, the link is broken.
The link is broken. Cat file3 will work fine. Cat file2, no such file are there. For example, if you go and check file2, it will say broken symbolic link to file1.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So now if you want to remove, you can remove file2 also, because it is useless. Understood? So now you said this is number of hard links, correct? Let me copy and paste this one. This will be useful for you. Okay. So you said number of hard links is 1, but I did not create anything on file 5 until now, correct? But I have one hard link. How is it possible? That is the question that will come into picture. For example, rm-rf star, and let me create fresh files. Okay. Touch file 2. Okay. Let's go. and I have one hard link already available.
Hmm.
How is it possible? This is the question that should come, correct?
Yeah.
So there will always be one hard link by default on files. That is entity plus entity name. For example, I am a male, correct? I am a human, correct?
Yeah.
But I have a name. My name is Ram, correct?
Yeah.
When you call male human, I will not respond to it. If you call Ram, I will respond to it, correct? Because there will be so many males and humans.
Yes.
So entity plus entity name. So the file entity have a file name, correct?
Yeah.
That entity plus entity name will be one hard link. That is shown here. Understood?
Okay.
This is the important thing people will ask you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then for DIR, MKDIR, DIR, LL. Oh, there are two hard links now. Why? Why is it two for directory then? Because one is entity plus entity name.
Yeah.
Correct?
One more might be contents.
One more will be with parent and child.
Okay.
It's current working directory PWD plus parent of present working directory. That is one hard link. So you will say two hard links by default. Understood?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
now the ls-lrt output, when you see, what is it telling to you? It is telling to you so many things. The first thing is type of file, correct?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Next thing is
Read, write, execute.
permissions. File permissions, you should call them. Okay.
File permissions.
Thing is
Hard links.
number of hard links.
Hard links.
Hard links. The next one is
Owner
of
group.
file. Owner of the file.
Owner.
Owner of the entity file or directory.
Entity. Okay.
Okay. The
Group
next
of
one
the
is
entity.
group of entity. Group of the entity. The next one is creation or modification. Next one is size.
Size. Huh?
File size, correct. File size. Okay, I'm also human. I also do mistakes. Please forgive my mistakes. So, so the next thing is creation or modification.
Modification time.
And the last thing is entity name.
Entity name.
Name. Entity name. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Let us put it here. Okay. Okay. Now let us talk about file permissions. Okay. File permissions. What? Okay. If I tell file permissions today, you will scold me like crazy. Time up. Done.